Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And I'm on the monthly time frame, working all the way down to the 1 hour for the full top down analysis. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I still think that we're either in an A, B, C, which would likely go down to like this 100% Fibonacci extension, this little box I got here at the 78% Fibonacci retracement and the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the top of wave B for a wave C, potentially looking something like that and then continue in the uptrend. Or the other possibility for me is that this is a wave one, a wave two, and this is actually just going to keep on going down towards the 161% Fibonacci extension for a wave three. Either one of those analyses are still very bearish, which is good news. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now, we definitely have been going up for a long time now, but on the weekly, we still do not have a break of structure, which means that this wave up still very likely could just be a pullback to this last wave down. As you can see, price is reacting to the 78%. It really isn't engulfing down yet, which is kind of something we're lacking, which hopefully we get this coming up week, which will help prove that we really are going down again to make either that wave 3 or that wave C pattern that I showed on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, to me, it looks like a recognizable pullback. I think this looks like one, two, three waves up, one wave down, three waves up, one wave down, one wave up, three waves down, one wave up. So it potentially looks like three waves up, three waves down, three waves up, which is a WXY pattern in the Elliot wave world. If that is a WXY, then this has to go down and it has to break structure. If it does anything besides going down and breaking structure, then it is not a complete pullback. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame, it definitely is very overlapping right now, which kind of makes you wonder if it really is just going to keep on going up or not. But it is August, and August is very often a very slow overlapping month, so that could just be the reason. I still think there's a good chance this is a wave one, and we've already got a wave two, and this is going to go down, and it is going to give us a break of structure for this wave three. And the break of structure is really what's going to help confirm to us that the higher time frames really are back into that downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. I definitely am looking for shorts. Whether it goes up and takes out this high or not, I really have no idea. I just know that if we get a Fibonacci bounce and golfing down, I will go short. Or if it just keeps on going up and makes like a double top and then it golfs down, I will go short there also. I just know because of the much higher time frames that the trend is definitely still down and the trend is your friend, which means that our primary goal definitely should be looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.